get ready to rumble!
Okay, Garmin, save video. Fuck me! What the fuck was that?
She's legit like the fuck.
Did you see that?
Yeah, I did that the other day.
Golf clap? Golf clap.
Melbourne Marathon tomorrow. Lots of roads closed in the morning as well around Albert Park Lake, Beaconsfield Parade, Brunton Avenue 2. You might want to check online if you need to be somewhere around the city tomorrow. I'm going to play this for you soon from Regard. Rider is coming up. Back next though, we got Non-Stop with Lizzo.
Nova.
Chrissy, Sam and Brownie.
Our own Cadino gave us some horoscopes.
Are you? What in the fuck are you doing?
T20 against England in Christchurch. The visitors won the toss and chose to put our boys in first. Our Cavs ending their innings in an okay spot at 153 for 5. And all eyes will be on Kieran Foran in tomorrow's Rugby League triple header at Eden Park. We'll run out for our Kiwis against Great Britain. The last time
mindset of an athlete always expects that they could play on forever and a day, but you do rely on the people around you to, one, indicate that, you know, it might be a good time to go, and certainly...
At Her Majesty's pleasure.
and good riddance to him as well. Simon, good afternoon. Hello, Simon. Dave.
Back of it, holding two flags, possibly a grid girl or something of that nature. Anyway, we've put it up and we're trying to find out what it all means. 96900 693. Come and join us for the room file this morning. Up and away, you know.
In relation to sexual harassment, businesses may face significant fines and reputational damage if workplace bullying and harassment policies and training are not implemented correctly. SafeTrack's award-winning online compliance training educates staff in appropriate anti-bullying and anti-harassment conduct. With SafeTrack, you can improve morale and
Tastiest dressings range. Yep, for real. So if you're dreaming about really tasty Caesar dressing, taste the
You can see the let it be.
A 55-year-old man has died after his motorbike struck a pole after he fled police at Kings Park in Melbourne.
What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck was that?
Oh my God! Oh, I crapped my pants!
Still doing. No one's picking up this one.
Zone 3. Michaela wants to hear your rumours this morning. Malcolm Stewart in London. So do we. Malcolm Stewart in London to the Railway Club Hotel, Port Melbourne. Sunday lunch or dinner at the Railway. Hi there, Malcolm.
Hello, good morning.
Fairness. I'm not.
No, are you? What did he do, or she?
We'll find out. Becoming sunny with a top of 20 right now. It's 12 degrees. It is.
Tired of saying this, but our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to none other than
Islamic relations. Korean to say it. Good afternoon.
Hi, Tom. How are you?
Good, thank you. Well, the Zara Duman, she was quite happy to go to Islamic State. She was happy to say that we're thirsty for that is the US and Australia. She's happy to wave around the AK-47, happy to wave the Islamic State black and white flag. Now she wants us to...